You don't need weeds and debris mucking up your lakefront, so take back control with Genless. We revolutionize routine maintenance with a simple, 3-step weed control system. Start with the Weed Razer Aquatic cutter. Its 2 razor-sharp blades slice through weeds at the bottom, reducing stalks and stubble under the water's surface. Quickly clear-cut cattails, lily pads, and other aquatic vegetation. Next, use the workhorse of aquatic rakes to evict dead weeds before they decay into muck. The Weed Raker features a wide head and long, sturdy tines designed to capture cut vegetation and remove bottom debris. Finish or prevent the problem with the Muck Razer. This heavy-duty underwater tiller uses specially designed hooked teeth to rip out embedded roots and aerate the pond or lake bottom. Reduce out-of-control vegetation and muck buildup, and restore your original sand in as little as 1 season with regular use. Get your lakefront property back on track without harsh chemicals using the Genless system. Just cut, rake, and prevent weeds and muck today. For more information, visit us online at airmaxeco.com.